So here we have a Buehler Isomet Plus precision saw, and for some reason it's not working, but it is 115 volts, as you can see here, and it looks as though it's in good condition. But when you power it up, and I'm going to power it up, you will see it lights up, and then if you go on, it lights up. But we don't, when you go run, you hit run, it doesn't run. So we don't know why this is happening, but it does respond. If you increase, as you see, it does respond. It just does not really the light goes on. For some reason, it's not really doing it. You can zero it, and maybe we don't know why this is so, but anyways, so it does light on. This run does not light on. Lubricant does not. Oh, it does light on. The lubricant does light on, but it does not power on. And you can increase the speed here, and definitely does not run. That's the only one that doesn't light up. You know, the I don't know if it's something we're doing wrong or what, but definitely not working. We just thought it'd be important to let you know. So might be an easy fix. Whoever buys it will know. Thank you so much. Enjoy it while it lasts. Get it while it lasts.